What's up? Long time.
Long time no see.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
Oh my god, nice pork chop.
Yeah.
It looks that good. Who
Hey,
cares?
how's it going? Good, good to see you.
That's a gorgeous car.
I know, right?
Just had some work done at CGR.
A little bit.
Some of this stuff she got out for a lot.
Drive down 11.
Good. Well, I thought there was going to be a lot more comps because we were already in Aurelia today. We were coming home, like just behaving myself.
Was there?
Driving super
I went through Aurelia kind of like a fucking idiot.
Yeah.
And didn't see any, and then we come down 11. And I was all one. I'm like, it's the first time staying in here. And he's bigger than you.
Wow. Any more work done or just
Nope.
yeah.
No, I haven't done anything more to it yet.
That's good.
I
That's how you know you did it right because you it's been a while,
They
right?
said if I do anything more to it, it's not going to be
Might is.
a daily driver anymore.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Might is.
Yeah, it'll be too hairy on the streets.
yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
Hey. Hey.
How are ya? Good, how are you? Not too bad.
Oh. What's up, bro? What's going on? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's going on? Oh, nice shirt, buddy. What'd you do to the exhaust? Anything else?
Nope.
No? Oh, you got your tires, dude.
Tires on.
Dude.
Holy fuck.
Holy.
That's a little unnecessary for me.
They're tucked in real nice, eh?
Yeah. I was really worried that they were gonna hit.
Yeah. That's cool. I like the
Even though it's a fatter tire and everything,
Yeah.
it sits at the exact same
Yeah.
where the old tire was. on the
Okay.
inside.
So where did you?
The inside.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Hemi.
Oh, yeah.
You don't got a Hemi? What do you got?
What's up,
Nothing
man?
at all.
Nice setup, bro. What kind of exhaust you got there, bro?
Just straight pipe.
Straight pipe?
Cat.
Yeah.
Getting ready to put on BBK long headers and go cat back.
Oh yeah,
I
that's a
might
good.
just go catless because I'm buying another one.
Yeah, just go
Yeah.
catalyst because you don't have to do the emissions test
Exactly.
anymore. No, that's good, man. What year is this thing?
06.
06?
Yep.
Yeah.
And I've had it for 5 months now.
Not
I have
bad.
a couple good body work to do.
No, it looks good. Jeez.
Still working truck.
Let's hear it, man. Let's rev it up, bro. Nice.
Do my cold air intake next week.
Oh, yeah. Who's doing that?
There goes Greg walking through.
Where are you? What's up, man? Where are you? Come on. What? Air it out, right? Come on, air it out.
Let me
Pull up. What's up, bro? What's going on, man? That's your boy. Yeah, that's your boy.
Oh, well. Driver's pulling up.
Oh, yeah.
Dude.
You have like the true Brembo Fitbit right there. 3 mil, buddy. Damn. What's up, brother?
What's going
Love it.
That shit looks fire.
Oh yeah, I got lumber.
Yeah.
What rims are those?
Work VSKFs.
VSKFs, eh?
Yeah.
Did you also get the game white?
Size of these? 245? 20.
Are they leaving?
I got my jack, I got my shit in my car.
I don't know.
Probably gonna pack her up.
Right.
Getting late already.
Oh, yeah, I was looking for you. All I had to do was, gotta top them off.
Yeah, no, I get it. That's why I have open enders.
I got those at the stars, but they have the like